I got more mail. It's really hard to find a spot to sit that doesn't have that like right over my head since that is the center of the room. Also, it's kind of echoey in here. I wonder if I should open the door. I hear that releases the echo. Let's try it. I don't know if that releases the echo. Echo, echo. I don't know. I got more mail. I'm so happy that you guys like my unboxing videos because they're fun for me too. The only problem is sometimes I don't know how to pronounce the name of the brand. I don't know, like I guess that's part of my candidness is I don't know how to say words very easily. And so sometimes when I'm shopping, I'm just like, don't know how to say this, but it's cute, so I'm gonna buy it. So I have two packages here. They're both from the same company. I think it's pronounced Larace, Larache, Larace. Okay, so before I open these, let me just preface it. There's two types of curviness, right? There's those days that you want your curves hugged because you don't want to wear boxy, baggy t-shirts and hide your what you got, right? And then there's other days where you're like, I don't want something super clingy that's gonna show off too much of what I got. Well, Larace is a brand that has very tunicky dresses and tops. So if you're in that mood where you don't want it super hugging you, Larace is the way to go. They've got the loose fitting tunic tops and dresses that take care of all of that. They are available on Amazon, but they also have their own website. My first piece, let's see. So you know what I'm talking about. Larace. L-A-R-A-C-E. Larace. Let's see what this one is. And I'll have to go get my steamer and steam this before trying it on for you guys. It's a tunic top. Just simple black tunic top. This particular piece also it has like a identical one that comes with pockets. This one does not have pockets, but it does have an identical, they have two different kinds, one with pockets, one without. So this one's just a very simple black tunic top. You can wear with leggings, you can wear with jean shorts, super simple tunic style, so that it's not hugging your inner tube. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just don't want your inner tube hugged. Larace. I believe this one, I ordered two of the same. One was black. This one I think is called their mint green, or grayish green, I think is what they call it. So again, the bottom is like that, not a perfect straight hem. It has angles to it. Yay! Okay, let's try it on. You know what, truthfully, I'm just gonna try it on over what I'm wearing. I'm gonna have to shut my door. My neighbor's dog doesn't like it when I talk. I don't know if that did anything because you can still hear him barking. Anyways, all right, live try on of these tunic tops. Let's do, ooh, it's soft. It's very soft. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I like it. See what I mean by tunic? It's not gonna like hug my inner tube. It just lays and flows without the boxy feel. I like that a lot. I might need to bring you closer so you can see it. Nope, that's not gonna work. Maybe I can bring you right here. Yep, but watch my head. I don't wanna get hit by this thing. Yes. See what I mean? I like it. Don't worry, I will throw the links up in my caption here so that you guys can see it online as well. All right, let's try the next one. Boop. This one's the same thing, it's just black. Same exact style, the no pockets. It's just black instead of grayish green. Sea foam green. Ooh, I like it. Watch my head. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. Let's bring you closer again so you can see again up close. Watch my head. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. Flowy. It's not clinging to my inner tube. I like it. I like the long sleeves too. I hate my arms, you guys. I hate my arms so bad. But the sleeves cover my bingo arms. So I'm gonna chalk this one up as a win. Shall we do a fashion show though? I feel like this is too short of a video. You might need a fashion show. Ready? Okay. Fashion show time. Ready? Alexa, play Dua Lipa. Ready?
Shuffling songs by Dua Lipa on Amazon Music.
I can't because this thing's in my way. Go around it. Changing's hard. Can't change life. Ready? All right, there you go. Let's stop. That's my fashion show.